Okay. And we're rolling.
My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body lies over the ocean. So bring back my body to me. Bonnie!
I'm not Bonnie. I mean, whoop.
Bonnie, I love you. Come have children.
I'm a diplodicus, you fiend.
Let's start a family.
No.
But I love you.
But I'm a diplodocus.
Doesn't
children
matter.
wouldn't turn out.
I'm not racist. My parents are.
You need eyes, lady.
I don't need. You making fun of me because I'm a blind woman?
No.
Yes, you are. Peck you, peck, peck, peck. Die.
Squat.
My body lies over the ocean. My body lies over the sea. My body.
Transformers, robots in disguise. Hey, what's up?
Bonnie! I love you.
Yeah.
Wow, you changed. Maybe it's the toxic waste on the island.
I think so too.
Do you eat the cheese? I hear it's not good for you.
I don't know. Wow.
That's okay. We can still have children.
Eep.
Wow, we're not doing too good.
Shut up.
No, I will not shut up. Not for this bitch.
Let us play Muzak.
No. Now what? Dance with me. No, no.
It's skanking.
Headbang. Are you dead yet?
Oh, I'm twitching.
I think
I have rabies.
Oh, give me rabies. Ah!
Now you are a zombie because I just killed you.
Cool. Whoa! I have a twin!
Holy crap!
I know! Now we can have twice as many children!
That's gross!
I know!
Gross!
I know!
Nasty! D-I-S-U-T-I-N-G!
Just because you don't want to go out... So you're going to go out with both of us, right?
No.
My name's Jade.
Want the strawberry?
That's Silent Bob.
No.
Eat me!
Are you both twins?
Eat
If
me!
you're twins, then you have the same name, wouldn't you? Question mark?